Friends, how are you? So in this video we would be discussing about the another topic of kinematics, which is very important, and that is called as a relative motion. So relative motion becomes very important for AP physics. This topic is not in the IB, but for AP it is important. So see, what is relative motion? See, when I say that this vehicle is moving with some velocity, let's say 50 meters per second velocity, so it is moving, this car is moving with respect to the earth, with respect to the ground. So when we say with respect to ground, because ground is not moving, so it is moving with 50, and some another object is also going with some velocity, suppose 70. So this 70 meter per second is also with respect to ground. But if I say that what is the speed of this car with respect to this, so suppose someone is here and someone is here. So this person will think that he is moving with 20 meter per second speed. So means 70 minus 50 we have used. So V2 minus V1 we did. Whereas this person will think that he is static and this vehicle is moving ahead with 20 meter per second. So this person will think that this vehicle is moving ahead, and this person will think that this car is moving behind. So this will be minus 20 and this will be 20. So this is the basic principle of relative motion. So this was in a 1D pattern, but like in your book also, so the example and the questions would be from like riverboat and the waves part. So suppose this is a river. So some boat is moving like this, and then there will be some waves. So this boat or steamer is moving here with 5 meter per second, and these waves is moving with 4 meter per second. So in these types of cases, we have to use the vector method. So this is 5, this is 4, and by using the Pythagoras, we would be calculating this. So this will be the resultant. We will discuss details of these vectors in the vector video. So basically, we have to calculate the resultant here. For as it is in 90 degree, we can use Pythagoras here. So this will be 5 square plus 4 square root, that would be r. So whatever the value is, this would be the right answer for that. And then we have to calculate the theta also. For that, you could be using like tan theta. Tan theta will be 4 by 5. So theta will be tan inverse 4 by 5. So theta would be knowing, and then you can calculate the resultant. So this would be the answer. For in case there would be some another theta, then there would be a formula. That formula is a vector square plus b vector square plus 2ab cos theta root. So this theta is the angle between the vectors. So this we will discuss in the vectors. So this is all about the relative motion. Whenever there would be some question from the relative motion, you have to think like this. So in the 1D, you can directly subtract the velocities. For 2D, you have to use some vector formulas for that. So this is all about the kinematics. Now we are completed with the kinematics. Now the relative motion is also completed. With the next video, we would be starting with the forces.